Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I get my signature nude lip. Yeah, there's nothing else really to say, just that itself is like, bitch, hold up, because y'all know I'm like nude lip queen. It's like who I am. I've been this nude lip girl since like elementary school, and I didn't even know, like, I'd always wear like really pale lip glosses even back then. But now I'm an adult, so I wear lipstick. If I'm wearing lip gloss, girl, must be a nigga in the room. Cause anyway, yeah, let's get started. So I like for my lips to look big AF, real DSL type lips. Don't know what that means. You can go on Urban Dictionary. Anyway, so to start my lips, I like to just prep my lip with a little bit of concealer, just so they're really nude under here. And throughout my makeup routine, I have on like Carmex and chapstick, just so they're soft by the time this comes around. And also what plays a part in my lip routine is when I contour, I also contour my Cupid's bow, so it looks, you know, real cute. So now that they're crusty looking because of the concealer, I am going to go in and really overline my lips. Yes, I know I have full lips, but I like for my lips to look even bigger, and I like for them to look really pouty and, you know, with lots of volume. Because they don't have a lot of volume, I just have a nice shape, but I want a more defined shape. So let's get started. So I'm taking my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. This is a beautiful dark brown. And so I'm going to show you what my real lips look like if I went by my natural lip shape. And then I'm going to go on top of that with how I overline my lips, okay? So if I go on my natural lip shape, looks like that. Right, totally disgusting. I hate it. So I'm gonna go in and now overline. I take my overline down to here, so it looks like this. So this is only gonna work with a dark lip liner, so it looks like your lips actual shadow when you're doing this. Because I go directly on top of like where my lip starts, like the outer perimeter of it. Okay. So now I'm going in with my Milani liquid matte lipstick. This is the color 19 Covet. This is like my holy grail part of my lipstick routine. I don't know where I would be without it, honestly. I'm kind of obsessed. So could they ever stop making it, I really don't know what I would do, because I haven't found a product or color this rich and gooey brownie looking ever. So yeah. So now I'm just filling in basically from the inside of where I started overlaying my lip to my actual lip shape. Okay, and now I'm going to fill in the corners a little bit. Okay. Really want to get off the excess because you don't need a lot. Okay, so now I'm going in for my Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. This is from Black Radiance. This is in the shade Hollywood Hot. And it's just like this beautiful nude shade. And I am applying this in the center of my lips. And really using this to kind of like start my blend. And I like for my lips to still look like they have like blood coming through them. So what I like to do is I take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Crush liquid lipstick. And when I say blood coming through them, like there's blood still circulating through my lips. Like, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's just cute. I promise. So I just take this liquid lipstick. It's like a corally pink. Really warm. And I apply it in the center of my lower lip. So I take this little mini eye shadow blending brush. And I really go back in and blend this all together. So this is why I never like include this in my videos, because it just takes forever. And I don't want to like have my videos being so freaking long, because it takes me 10 minutes to put on lipstick. Okay. So now I'm going back in with the Milani and Covet. Like I said before, wiping off the excess. And redefining those edges. Yeah, so this is pretty much my go-to nude lip. Real cute, real DSL, real, you know what I'm saying? So sorry this video took so long to get here, but this is basically it. I do different colored nudes as well, but this is basically the routine that I go through to get there. I still use my mini blending brush to do that. Lip liner and then the Milani liquid lipstick on the edges. That's a must. I do that with all my lip combos, even if it's like a color, if it's a red, if it's just like a pure baby Nicki Minaj pink type of look. Yeah, but this is the nude that I've been wearing a lot lately. So if you wanted to go on with the gloss, my favorite gloss at the moment is the Morphe Chill lip gloss. I'm just gonna swatch it. I'm not putting this on though, but it's just beautiful if you just do a little bit on the center. Yeah, it's just a beautiful, really nude gloss. And yes, that's the actual color of it. It's just really beautiful on top of here, but I just can't, because this is just a beautiful nude. When it's matte like this and it's just, I get really obsessed, and I just cannot put a gloss on top. Like, I have to be going like to see like my dude or whatever for me to really put this gloss on, because guys like gloss, girls, so just so you know. But if you did want to do a gloss, I can show you real quick. I'm not putting this on, like I said. You just in the center only. I hate when people put gloss all over their lips, because it looks stupid. It just looks tacky. It doesn't blend right. You put it on the center and then you buff the edges, okay? That's how you do gloss, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, I hope this was beneficial. So now you can go out and rock the perfect nude lip, especially for my brown skin girls. Nude lips are so beautiful when you find like your perfect lip liner combo, and this works on everybody. When I say everybody, everybody. Like, I do this on my clients, I do this on everyone. I'm just obsessed, you know what I'm saying? So see y'all in my next video.